Well, hey guys. Right now what you're seeing is a snowstorm, blizzard, kind of, and it's been snowing kind of like since 9 of the morning. But it stopped for a moment, but it's still like snowing now, and it's like a big snowstorm because it said it would be 18 inches to 24. So if it was 24, it would be 2 feet, right? So it will be a lot. And let's see what time it is. It's 3:12, and it's gonna be snowing until. Sorry, I had to sneeze. So it's gonna be like snowing until tomorrow morning, still. And like by 11 it would stop, and it's gonna be a lot, and it's 3:12, and it's gonna be a lot of snow. Here you can see my patio full with snow. It's my patio, and it's with snow. Yeah, you could see how the snow is falling. It's crazy. Okay, so I'm outside right now, and it's cold, and it's only a little bit of snow, but it's gonna snow a lot later, so it's crazy. It's gonna start snowing more later. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in my room right now, and as you can see, the snowfall and everything, it's just a lot. And it snowed it snowed on Saturday, and today is Monday, so it has been like a snowy winter, and it's pretty crazy, and it's gonna start snowing more, like I said, like 1 foot or more. And I might not even have school from this snowstorm or snow blizzard tomorrow, because yeah, it's crazy. And today I had a half day of school, and I'm just here and showing you how it is. It's crazy. Yeah. So, yeah. Giving you a close look. So, stay tuned, because, later on I might do another video of how the snow has been, and how high it might have gone, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot, I guess so yeah. It's like a lot of snow right now. Right now it could be, I don't know, it's not really a lot, but it's gonna snow a lot later, so I'll film that for you guys can see how much snow, and it's crazy. So, yeah, stay tuned, and sorry that I haven't been making videos like for 4 months now, but yeah, I've been busy, but yeah. So, later I might do another video of how the snow had gotten, and I might go outside to show you all. Bye!